What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys epic exhaust options for your HEMI Ram. If you want to increase the sound of your HEMI Ram, or you just want an overall good sounding exhaust to your HEMI Ram, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys a couple options that you could go with that are good quality exhaust setup, nothing cheap, and that's definitely going to bring that sound, that aggressive sound that you want out of your 5.7 HEMI. I hope you guys are having a great day. It's Thanksgiving today. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone and their family. Today in PA is kind of a raining day here in PA. Sucks, but it's about that time of the year. So, and it's freezing outside. So I'm sitting in my car right now trying to get it to warm up before I can head to the store, do my last quick little Thanksgiving couple recipes that I forgot. So I'm about to go grab that, and in the meantime I'm going to be sharing with you guys options for you if you in the market like me, or you're trying to get the perfect Christmas gift for your son, your dad, whoever that has a 5.7 HEMI Ram, and you want to have that HEMI sounding very, very good. So let's get right into it. I'm about to start driving off. No, it's not the smartest thing to drive and record, but sometimes you got to do what you got to do. Sometimes you got to do what you got to do. But man, I really dislike when it rains a lot, man. Like, I really ain't nothing wrong with the rain, but I just feel like when it rains, especially when it rains, it get real cold. You can't really do much. Like, your option for doing stuff is not really that much. But here we are. I'm gonna share with you guys. So let's say you got a 5.7 HEMI Ram. That's my brake sound, because it's obviously wet. So let's say you got a 5.7 HEMI Ram and you're looking to increase your exhaust sound. So here's what I'm gonna go with. What I think that sounds real good with these HEMI Ram or HEMI engines and stuff like that. But first thing, obviously, you need headers. You're gonna need some aftermarket headers. Do not do any kind of short tube headers, or try to do any kind of short tube headers. Honestly, I'm be straightforward, they junk. I wouldn't even attempt to try to spend money on them. If you're looking to get sound, don't go with the option for short tube headers. It's the worst possible option you can go with, when you can obviously go with long tube headers through Cooks long tube headers. Cooks is one of the reason why that's my number one, because Cooks is like one of the most, I think, top number one, I'm talking headers in the game right now, because they make some real good quality stuff. And also you definitely gonna be able to hear that sound from your car. Definitely gonna be able to hear that sound. So Cooks, looking at Cooks. And then as far as the aftermarket exhaust, you could, if you don't want to spend $1,500 to $2,000 on a full catback exhaust, you can just do strictly Cooks long tube headers. And then you could do you could do like an aftermarket muffler, like Corsa. I like Corsa too. Corsa is another one in the game too. Corsa is like, they definitely up there too. I think they more so, their stuff is better. I say a little bit better than Cooks. So you can just do strictly Corsa muffler. And a Corsa muffler, one reason why I like Corsa muffler is because that it makes, like, even though you might not have cams or anything on your truck, but once you install a Corsa muffler on your truck, it's like it make it sound like you have some kind of camshaft or something like that. Like, that's what I like about them. It's like, give it like that deep rumble sound. So that's honestly, that's like the best way to really go about it. But if you like, F it, I want to spend an arm and a leg to get me the best sounding exhaust out there. Cook's long tube headers, there's Corsa, there's a bunch of different kind of long tube headers brands out there, but you want to always go with the good brand. So when you get yourself some long tube headers, full catback exhaust, if you on the side of, hey, I want to spend money is not the problem, full catback exhaust. You could do AWE catback, Corsa, Cook's. There's a ton of different brands out there. All depends on what kind of sound you're looking to get. Like me, honestly, I like the deep, aggressive sound. That's my sound. Like, I like that sound. So if you're looking to make your HEMI Ram sound, sing epic, get that aggressive sound out of it, these are some of the things that I share with you guys that can definitely be able to get you what you're looking for. But first thing, you want to make sure you do your research before you go ahead and attempt to buy any kind of parts. But that's going to be it, guys. Hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving Day and a great weekend. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.